I began my YouTube journey buying a cheap Suzuki DR650 I named Siyanda. After visiting Vince Strang motorcycles on my first adventure with Siyanda, I realized there was a lot of work to be done. I convinced Vince to let me rebuild my bike at his shop in exchange for working for free. This is that story.
Another day of messing around from Guy.
Yeah.
I think that tyre is for this bike over here. And here we have Jed. I haven't seen Jed yet. How are you, Jed?
Good, mate, yourself?
I'm good. What's your role in at Vince Strang's?
Apprentice mechanic.
There we go. So there's Bert to meet still, and Janelle. What do you reckon about Vince? Have you heard much about him?
He's a very knowledgeable man, Vincent.
You think he's a good rider? Have you seen him ride before?
Awesome rider.
Yeah? Is it true that he knows so much about DR650s they call him Dr. 650?
Yeah. He's the man to talk to about DR650s.
There you go. I love it. I love the confirmation. Guys, how are you? Have a shave? So, you might know him as the motion of a boat in water. He's everyone's uncle. His name is pronounced the same backwards. Talks a lot of shit. Sells a lot of bikes, but apparently he can also cut hair. So, look a bit like Kramer of Seinfeld, or Albert Einstein's grandson. So he's gonna give it a cut. Let's see how we go. Can I change the style? Get unbuckled. Yeah, let's do it out here. That's right, guys. His name is Bob. One of the only names that said the same backwards as it is forwards. Like a 15-second one, a little bit of commentary from you is okay.
Less expletives the better. Unbuckled.
Unbuckled, yeah.
You sure you want to leave this?
Yeah,
it's really good.
No. One day.
No.
I know, follow on the council. Where's Muzzy?
No, Muzzy.
He has his big Stay still.
There's one thing I dislike about Australia, and that's mullets.
I want you to do something though. Listen, I'll just...
Oh, still hair everywhere, so I'm coming over and getting the high-powered one over at Pat Station. I think it's the only way. A bag, plastic, a rag. You cut yourself?
Yes.
Badly?
Yeah. I need a rag.
Look at you, you farm boy. Look at this. He says he just needs a rag. He's so calm. Now that is what I call an unbuckled character. This man is a future mini bull, professional bull rider. Well, how'd you cut it? You don't know how you cut it? Go inside and talk. They'll give you a proper cleaning kit. Don't use one of these rags, man. You'll get infected. This is full of oil. Look how calm he is. Have some buckles, guys. Hey Jed, how are you?
How are you going?
Good, mate. Good. What are you doing here?
Trying to sort this brake caliper out.
Looks pretty done, eh?
Yeah. There's supposed to be a second pad.
Yeah, there is, eh? Oh, so that's just one caliper been going on the other. That's how you open it up?
She's been rubbing on the piston. So that'll be the back There's your caliper there. That'll be your other brake pad.
Yeah.
She's rubbed straight through. So yeah.
Oh, these things do some hard yards. See, this is the one that I can drive with the actual gear stick.
Yeah.
Like those new ones, I can't seem to change the gears. Oh, here's the man of the hour. All the ladies want him, all the men want to be him.
Well, man, not be.
You're fixing the carby on that, mate? Over it, under it. Let's go look what the front end's doing.
You can put it in there.
That's all good.
What you do is, with the VSM toolkit, you just also add your standard DR650 toolkit with it, which is a few little tools that can go with that and enhance it, like your plug spanner, for example.
Yep,
Yeah.
yep.
So there's nothing extra in this kit. So
It's just the bare minimum.
it's
what you
designed
need.
around, so nothing's wasted. So you got rear wheel spanner there, but you got tyre changing.
Yep.
Front wheel spanner, tyre changer. Haven't got a million sockets that you don't need, just the ones you need.
And the Allen key heads.
And the
you
Allen
need.
keys, just the ones you need.
Yep.
I mean, you're not going to pull the motor out of it and put a new set of rings in it or something like that, but
Yep.
you're going to probably get yourself going. You know?
Yeah, that's it.
And you're not carrying a ton of stuff you don't need.
And where's this kept on the bike? Just in the bags?
Well, that's a bum bag. So you just wear it around.
Sure, I don't know if I want to be wearing it all the time though.
No, well,
It's nice though, I guess.
it's not. You could wear it as a bum bag. And you've got, I don't know, carry ammo for the Parabellum 9mm in there. You could probably put a holster on the side, so quick. You know, like you need to be prepared for these things. So yeah.
But what about the toolkit in the side of the bike there?
There's also, you could convert it over if you wanted to, because there's there's a front fender toolkit as well. A service maker front fender one. So if you wanted to kind of convert this over, you can maybe put all the tools in the front fender kit.
Yeah, I think so. That's what I'd probably do. I don't want to be wearing it all the time.
And if you had a front fender kit, probably what I would do is use the front fender brace.
Yep.
Which is a good idea. These were an old motocross thing from back in the day. So when you're in the racing in the mud, it all builds up mud and your fender doesn't break off. But probably now that'd be good if you want to put, say, some people put a spare tube on the front and all that sort of stuff. But you could probably put your front fender bag, and that'd help the front fender bag.
Yep. I think that's the way I'm gonna go.
Yeah, and that way, see, it's all right to carry, but if you didn't want to carry it all day,
Because you're not going to need it all the time, you know. It's
no,
only
well,
gonna-
hopefully you never freaking need it. You
Yeah,
know?
exactly.
I
That's
don't
it.
like working, I don't fix and stuff, but hopefully you're not going to really need it that much. But there will come a time when you need to adjust a chain or something will happen. Even a pair of pliers, get wire in your chain, and it happens. You know,
Yeah,
at least you can cut it out. You know, you just never know.
Yeah, I get you.
You might do 10,000 Ks and not an issue, but that one time you think, man, I wish I had a pair of pliers or a shifter. It'll happen. It will happen.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah.
Are you excited to be YouTube famous guy?
No.
Why not? All the town folk are going to be talking about you.
Oh.
They already are, hey?
I don't think so. They're all the wrong thing.
Look at those skills, mate. If there's a motor, guy knows how to fix it.
I wish.
So we got her on, and Pat, mate, what would I do without him? He helped me find the lost nut. He's obviously lost a couple himself. Oh.
Careful, Clank.
Will do. Are you keeping that clean or keep this clean? Oh. Oh, that wasn't meant to be not clean.
Took you a while.
But it's all good. On the channel, I've specified it's not for kids, so. Come a bit closer. Let's tighten these, and mate, it looks like a professional. Nice and tight. These need to go until the grommets start getting squashed, right?
Yeah, you get them on fairly tight.
And that's that. Now we'll chuck her back on the bike. Once I've tightened this, stay unbuckle. So, it's the first time I've actually taken the front cover off. And this switch was meant for a light. I'm gonna get rid of that because I'm not gonna have an extra light on here. So let's open this up. Put a new one on, like that. What does this look like in here? Not like it's meant to, that's for sure. Ooh. What is going on here? Whoa. Oh. What do you reckon, Kobe?
Bird's nest.
Let's get rid of that. Don't need it. Don't need it. Let's see if everything works. Got a right indicator. Left, right.
Does your back ones work? Yep. You don't have a horn?
Hey, what's this button?
Should light your light beam on it. So when you come up on someone, you press it, flashing.
But it's not there. That's my high beam, that's my low beam. I need a new bulb.
Doesn't do nothing.
What do you reckon I do here? That's all that bit. I've taken that switch off.
That's heated grips.
That's heated grips?
Yeah.
Oh, these were probably heated grips, do you reckon?
Yeah. It's had it on it.
It's been taken off though.
Undo all that and see what's under there. And that's just an earth, I would say. No, it's just a piece of shit.
Look at that.
Yeah, take it off, see what's under there. Duffy's going wet.
There's a new one.
So you actually have flash grips.
Yeah, apparently, but they're not connected.
Savory cold hands.
They don't work though. Okay, let's see what's under there. I'll keep going. Get rid of all of that. All unnecessary. We'll close those up. And yeah, at least my bike's lighter now. Siyanda. Going strong. Going. We're just going a normal zip tie. It'll do the job.
Gonna cut that big thingy off.
It'll be right. And on with this. Three
What
screws.
you doing here, Neil?
I'm putting on the cover, mate. Putting it back on now that the windscreen is on. 3 bolts,
Now your
mate.
phone won't get wet.
Now my phone won't get wet. Exactly. If I can get the screws in. Is everything going in? There you go.